Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a while since we did a video. Been a couple of weeks, actually. Now, in that time, I've been very busy. We have been working on a new project called the Meme Asylum. It is a crazy idea that myself and Joe Rotes have been working on for, well, several months now. It's going to be launched on the Taraxa blockchain. Now, we'll get into that later on this week, but today we're going to be looking at a cryptocurrency exchange that's been around since 2013. And I suppose one of the questions is it still relevant 12 years down the line? Today we're going to be taking a look at sex.io. So here it is, guys. This is sex.io. Now, I'm sure most of you guys are aware of this. As I said, it's been around a long time. It's currently available in 160 countries, including the UK, the US, EU, and they claim to have over 15 million users worldwide. Now, one thing you will notice about these guys are highly regulated, and they do tend to, you can see down here, look at all that, they do tend to link in with all the relevant legislators in all the countries that they're operating in. So that's a plus point straight off the bat. Another plus point is they've never had a breach. They have a flawless security record. Now, a couple of other things about this exchange. They were the first to offer Bitcoin purchases with your credit card. And they were the first to offer withdrawals straight to your Visa and MasterCard. Now, you will notice something on this channel, and that is we love cryptocurrency exchanges that offer crypto debit cards. And sex.io is one of these. Now, it's currently only available to EEA residents, so that's the EU, Norway, Iceland, a couple of other countries there in the European zone. But once you get it, it's a MasterCard, and obviously then it's accepted all over the world. And what we're going to be doing over the next few weeks is we're going to complete the sign-up registration, and we're going to get this card and we're going to test it. Simply because I absolutely love having a debit card attached to my cryptocurrency account, and it doesn't happen with every exchange now. I gotta say, I can name on one hand all the ones that I trust to use at the very least. So that's the main thing for me, anyways, the crypto debit card. Now, obviously, you got your spot trading, your margin trading, and these guys are very risk averse. So your crypto leverage goes up to 10x, and there is country restrictions on that. Now, another thing to take note of is here, you will need to complete your KYC. They are very hot on anti-money laundering and KYC laws. Well, I'll show you what it looks like in the back end, and it is, as you would expect it, pretty straightforward. One of the main things that sex.io focuses on is ease of use. They're really focused on new people coming into the space and making the whole process of buying and trading your crypto as simple as possible. And you can notice that straight off from the trading platform here. Now, another thing they do offer here is earn. You can get monthly rewards simply by holding stable coins. They have a seamless swaps within your Web3 wallet, and they also offer staking. Now, you'll notice over here there is a section for businesses, and this is the complete institutional grade ecosystem. And this is for the heavy hitters, the institutional traders. They have monster liquidity on this exchange, and they claim to have the best price matching engine. The sex.io prime liquidity best price execution algorithm will automatically route your order to be fulfilled at the best price on market, splitting it into the most efficient way among the top trading venues in the industry. Institutional grade custody with insurance, secure insured storage for your digital assets that is customizable for your specific business needs. All digital assets are held in trust to the benefit of their clients. And they do offer a personalized VIP service. Now, that is for the Sex.io Prime. And as I was saying, they have staking for businesses and institutional clients. And you can see some of these are pretty high. Cardano is at 3.5%, but Polkadot's at 13%. And they got a nice calculator here to go through the different yields and the different periods that you want to stake them. But let's go back to the main website. And there's one other thing I want to show you down here. And to follow on from what we were just talking about, you can receive up to 15% in crypto rewards. They do have a lovely app which I've downloaded and installed on the phone. Super easy to use. This is critical. You will need to verify your identity, as I've been saying. But down here is something that might be of interest to you guys. This is the staking calculator. Numerous cryptocurrencies here to choose from. So let's say for a Tron, for example, you want to stake 20,000 Tron, you can get 4.1%. So if you want to up that, as you can see, it gives you the daily estimate, the monthly estimate, and the yearly estimate. And you'll also notice that they are being recognized for their work in the industry, partly because they've been around so long, by everybody that's relevant in this industry. So yeah, guys, that's Sex.io. I'd like to know what you think of them. I'm going to use them over the next month or so, and I'm going to get that debit card, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and let's see what kind of fees are attached to it. I'm just going to shoot over here to CoinMarketCap, and this shows you that the spot trading volume over the last 24 hours was 20.3 million, 193 BTC. Now, you'd have to take some of the times with a pinch of salt what CoinMarketCap is telling you. So I'm going to go to CoinGecko also. And you can see over on CoinGecko, it's pretty similar, 19.4 million in trading volume over the last 24 hours. They do have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, not as big as other exchanges, but I think, as I said at the beginning, they're very risk adverse, and so they're not going to be putting any old shite on there. So guys, that is Sex.io. If you're looking for one of the most trusted exchanges in the industry, this has to be near the top of your list. As I said, they've been around since 2013, never been breached, and they're hugely focused on complying with local and international regulations. Now, on the other hand, if you're big into leverage and big into altcoins, it might not be for you. Obviously, we want to have a look at that debit card, and we're going to go and sort everything out, do our KYC, and apply for that debit card. It is only available to EEA countries. Another plus with this platform is massive liquidity. They have a huge depth when it comes to liquidity. And finally, I suppose if you're new to the game, this is a perfect platform for you. Very easy to use. They do also have a university section where it shows you your do's and don'ts and how-tos also. Obviously, if you're new to trading, that's the first stop you need to be making. And don't forget, if you do sign up with them, download the app. It is a beautiful app, very, very easy to use. I've been using it for a few days now and not had any issues at all. So that about does it for today's video, guys. I'd love to know what you guys think of Sex.io. I'm sure most of you have used it at this stage, but if you haven't, there is a referral link in the description, and I would appreciate if you go and use it. It helps to support the channel. But yeah, let me know in the comments box below. And if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.